Good morning, people. Welcome to a day in my life. This is me ironing, which rarely happens, and me eating breakfast, which rarely happens too. But I was hungry, so yeah. Nom nom nom. So I start off by clipping my hair up so it doesn't get in the way, and then I use lip balm. I like this one because it gives me color. And then you can use moisturizer and then sunscreen because it's important. And I felt like using foundation that day, so why not? Then we did eyeshadow, lashes, eyeliner, highlight, and lipstick. So this is me vlogging the train, never again. So that day I went to ikea to grab brunch with my friends. Say hi! Say hi! I bought a cheesecake. So this is us just talking and spilling tea because we haven't met in a long time because we were busy with projects and stuff. Period.
Malisang!
So we're going for a rehearsal. This is my CG partner. Say hi.
Hey, any girl doing vlog?
Yeah. Hey, be careful.
No, this is my vlog now.
Ali, do you want chips?
It's okay. Hi.
Vlogging.
Yes.
Hi.
This is cam. What are you? Cam 2 ah?
Yes, cam 2.
Really? Oh shit! I need to do CG alone. So we're gonna do CG alone. Yeah, I can't do CG alone. This me stressing out. This me stressing out again.
Can't stop. CG never record.
Hey, don't
Lights ready? CG ready?
Ready?
DM ready?
Good night. Should I just upload to Google Drive?
Yes.
Yeah, I should do that.
I don't know, I came up with it.
I cannot! Help me! Should I airdrop to my phone? Will it change the resolution?
No.
So, I'm about to take a shower, but before that, I usually take off my makeup. So, if I'm wearing foundation, I'll use a Vanilla Cool Clean It Zero. I'm using this, it's my second cup. And then I'll wet my face. Just like that. It comes with a spatula. Just take a generous amount. Put some water. So now that the base is gone and I look like shit, I'm gonna use simple refreshing facial wash. I usually do this in the shower, but like for video purposes, I'm gonna show you guys. Then take a towel. That's it. So after I take a shower, I usually just play my phone, text people, or watch TikTok until 4 AM, no in between. So this is me showing off my LED lights. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this is me sleeping. You really thought? Not on my watch, it's just 10 p.m. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down what videos you would like to see. Bye.